Hold tension in your jaw. You need this stretch. Let's do this. Place the opening of the bottle between your lips. Squeeze tight. Make sure you are holding it with just your lips, not teeth. Lift your chin up slightly. Now keeping your head completely still. Use only your lips to lift the bottle up and lower it back down. You will feel the burn right away. Moving the bottle with just your lips. Isolate your facial muscles to help tone your lower face. Tone your lower face. Reduce the double chin. Slim your jawline. Repeat 10 times. Place your thumb underneath your chin. Rest your bent index finger right on top. Gently but firmly glide along the jawline. From the center of your chin all the way up to your ear. Hold it right there. Keep holding that spot. Now take the fingers of your other hand. Swipe down the side of your neck, gliding all the way down to your collarbone. Repeat this few times on both sides. This double action massage beautifully contours your jaw while encouraging lymphatic drainage to flush out toxin. Reduce swelling. Your face will feel so refreshed. Place two fingers firmly at the center of your chin to act as an anchor. With the two fingers of your other hand, gently grip the side of your jawline. Massage the muscle in a slow, small, circular motion, stretching along the bone all the way up to your ear. This targeted circular massage is incredible for releasing tight jaw tension, boosting blood circulation, naturally sculpting your lower face. Follow your jawline slowly and make sure to repeat this on both sides for a balanced and lifted look. With one hand, use your thumb and index finger to gently hold and pull your earlobe slightly outward. Make a knuckle with your other hand. Starting at the center of your chin, firmly glide that knuckle along your jawline, sweeping all the way up to your ear. Holding the ear creates the perfect stretch. While the knuckle massage walks deeply into the muscle, this combination is amazing for releasing stubborn jaw tension, boosting circulation, sharpening your facial contours. Repeat this smooth glide several times and switch to balance out other side. Place your thumb underneath your jawline for support. Rest three fingers near the corners of your mouth. Starting at the risorius muscle by your mouth, massage in a slow, gentle, circular motion. Gradually walk your way back and up the jawline right into the masseter muscle. This deep circular massage is incredible for melting away stubborn jaw clenching, softening expression lines, giving your lower cheeks a natural, healthy lift. Repeat this upward path a few times and remember to breathe deeply to fully relax the muscles. Form a soft fist and place your knuckles right at the center of your chin. Pressing firmly, glide your knuckles up along your jawline, sweeping right underneath your cheekbones and continuing all the way up to your temples. This upward gliding motion is amazing for stimulating lymphatic drainage, relieving facial tension, and giving your cheekbones a beautifully sculpted natural lift. Repeat this smooth sweeping motion a few times and then switch to the other side for a perfectly balanced glow. Remember to apply cream for this gliding massage. Place your thumb underneath the apples of your cheeks, alternating your thumbs gently and firmly glide upward along the natural contour of your cheekbone. After a few alternating glides, pressing both thumbs up under your cheekbones at the same time, hold that upward stretch for just a few seconds. This targeted move deeply massages the muscle to release trapped tension, while the upward hold defines your facial contours, giving you a beautifully lifted face naturally. Repeat this alternating glide and hold sequence a few times on both sides for maximum cheekbones definition. Take your two fingers and place them right at the tail of your eyebrow near your temple to firmly anchor the skin. Tilt your head slightly to the opposite side. Make a fist with your other hand. Use your knuckles to glide firmly from your lower jawbone all the way up to your masseter muscle. Anchoring the temple gives you a phenomenal stretch. This deep knuckle glides melt away stubborn jaw clenching, naturally contours the sides of your face for a beautifully lifted look. Glide up slowly, repeat this a few times on both sides for maximum symmetry and relaxation. Bend your index finger, place your knuckle right at the base of your chin. Open your mouth slightly to create a nice natural stretch along your jaw. Applying gentle but firm pressure, glide your knuckle in a slow upward motion, tracing the exact line of your jawbone all the way up to your ear. This upward sweeping motion is fantastic for promoting lymphatic drainage to reduce lower face puffiness while naturally sculpting and defining your jawline. Repeat this glide a few times and switch to the other side to keep your face perfectly balanced and lifted. Place one thumb underneath your chin to gently support your face with your other thumb. Start at the corners of your mouth. Firmly glide upward along your cheek. Right after that upward glide, bend two fingers using those knuckles to firmly sweep downward, massaging from your masseter muscle all the way down to your lower jaw. This two-step combination is amazing. The upward thumb glide naturally lifts the lower cheeks and smile lines, while the downward knuckle glide drains puffiness and melt away stubborn jaw tension. Repeat this lift and glide sequence a few times, then switch hand to balance out the other side. Let's give those cheeks a beautifully natural lift. Place the palm of one hand on your cheekbone. Glide smoothly up toward your temple. As soon as that hand reaches the top, immediately follow right behind it with the palm of your other hand. Alternate your hand in a continuous upward sweeping motion. This continuous palm glide is like a natural mini facelift. It boosts blood circulation, encourages lymphatic drainage.